Turn right to merge onto US 30 East toward Mansfield.
Detroit, Michigan. That's that Coney, y'all. I can already tell the dog got a snap. This, man. That's insane right there. Good morning, good morning, good morning, my peoples. That's day 3 sleeping, and it's cold too, y'all. I got my hoodie on today. It's cold. It's cold. It feel like it's like 30 degrees. I do not have the heat on, but I'm under the cover. I'm warm, man. You know. And I'm at a Flying J's right outside of Detroit, Michigan. And this is the 3rd night, rather, that I've slept in the car. We're actually going on the 4th day of this cross-country trip. All right, man, let's see what we can get into today. Detroit, Michigan. Let's check it out. I'm supposed to be meeting Chad Baird in here, y'all. Let's go see what's going on. Goodness, it's cold out here, y'all. Let's go see. Let's see if Chad is in here. Chad is right there. Look at him pointing to the door. He's pointing to the door, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. We're going in there. Oh, he got his gear too, y'all. He's filming me. I don't want to be filmed. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, we got them dogs on there. On the grill, y'all. That's them grill dogs. They doing it like that in Detroit. What? What's going on? Got Chad Baird in the house, man. It's been a long drive. We've been driving for 18 hours, but we here. It's colder than a motor scooter here. Yes, it is. It's colder than a motor scooter, y'all, in Detroit. It's like 40 degrees here. I got my sweater on. I need a coat. I'm gonna have to go buy a coat from somewhere, man. Check out this place, man. All of these colors representing the red, white, and the blue. Y'all know I'm down with that, right? I'm down with the red, white, and the blue. Check this out. Yo, this is dope. I like the tile-looking floors here. What's up, what's up, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna go there.
We just go, yeah, that's her in the picture.
Oh, that's her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's in all the pictures. That's it.
She's in all. I see now. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm 3rd generation. We've been here 107 years. My grandpa invented the Coney dog. So is my grandpa, my father, myself, and my brother now. We have locations in Las Vegas. We have a shipping company. You can get our Coney kits shipped out all across the country. And our hot dog is proprietary. Our chili is our own chili recipe with our own factory. You can't get it anywhere else.
Special? That's a special chili recipe?
Yes, it is.
What's in it?
Ha, it's a secret. Can't tell you.
Secret, though. We cannot get that.
Can't tell you.
Explain the colors here. I really love the colors. The red,
Well, it's red, white, and blue. It's like tastefully tacky. You know, when Grandpa came over from Greece, he was so grateful he was in America. He remembers landing at Ellis Island in New York, saw the amusement park, Coney Island. They sold hot dogs there. So he thought, I'm in America, Coney Island. It made such an impression on him with all the lights and the rides, and he'd never seen anything like that before. And hence the name. Now, Coney Island in New York, or like other people know it, is an amusement park. In Detroit, a Coney Island is an actual food. You bite into the hot dog, it snaps. I mean, there's a reason we're the oldest family-owned business, same family in Michigan right now.
Wow, in Michigan, not just Detroit.
Well, yeah, right.
Wow. What should I try today?
Well, you gotta have a Coney dog.
What should I put on it?
Chili mustard onions, no ketchup.
Chili mustard onions. That's funny. I don't
Ketchup's
even
for
like ketchup
French
on
fries.
my hot dog. Ketchup is for French fries. I agree. I'm gonna do that.
And you'll notice when you bite into it, the snap and everything.
Oh. Let's do the chili cheese fries and a coney.
There you go. That's
Yep.
what you want to do.
So, and I'm gonna do a coney and a chili cheese fries.
You go with everything on your conies? Chili, mustard, onion?
Yep.
Chili, mustard, onion. You heard her, y'all. She said no ketchup. Ketchup is for French fries. Look at this, man. That's that coney, y'all. I can already tell the dog got a snap. Right? What's the skin on the hot dogs, you know?
It's a lamb casing.
It is. We used to call it sheep casing.
Yeah.
Wow, y'all heard the lamb casing. I told y'all I know what I'll be talking about, man. And then he got the fries, they're coming. I'm hungry, y'all. This is the first thing I'm eating today. I ate some cashews earlier before the gym. I didn't really go to the gym, but it sounds good on video. Look at this, man. That's insane. That is insane right there.
We'll bring it over to you. I'll take a seat.
That's insane, y'all. Look at that steam coming off of there. He put the cheese on there, that shredded cheese, and then he threw on that chili. OMG. Look at him, y'all. He ain't even gonna try. That's the manager, y'all. We're here at American Coney, y'all. I got Chad Beard. Y'all check him out, y'all. The Beard has landed. That's the old name. Now it's just the Beard, right?
Yep.
Just the Beard, y'all. Check him out on YouTube. Of course, we're gonna put his address right here, his handle, his YouTube stuff right there. I got this Coney, man, and I got this chili cheese fries, right? First, I'm gonna dig into one of the chili cheese fries. Oh, look at that, man. Look at this. Look at that cheese pull on there. See that cheese pull? Look, 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 look. Let's see how far I can go. How far can you go? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yo, that chili, they know what they're doing with the chili. Oh, that chili's good. I gotta wipe my lip. But y'all don't be telling me when I have food on my mouth. Look at this, man. That's insane right there. Let me twirl it. You know what would really be nice on this? Hot sauce. It really would.
I forgot to.
You heard me. You got hot sauce? Oh, wow. I'm going to get some hot sauce, y'all. We're going to get hot sauce. For real, that would be perfect. Thank you very much.
Look, y'all, I got some hot sauce. Oh, I'm spilling. I got some hot sauce.
We're going to put that on there like that. I'm here smacking, man. I'm very happy. Right now, Chad kept telling me to make sure I got to try Detroit Coney. Because he was comparing it to New York. We haven't tried the dog yet, but the chili cheese fries are the bomb. With that hot sauce on it. See, I can't stop eating them. Y'all know it's the truth when I can't stop eating. And I'm like, I don't eat a bunch of fries, y'all know this, unless they're really good. I should have ordered the fries and then ordered the hot dog so the hot dog can be nice and hot. I'm gonna eat some now before it gets too cold. What was the drink, Chad?
That's burner.
It's called Burner.
Yeah. Think of like Schweppes, but more local. Like
So how you spell it? B-U-R?
B-E-R. Burners.
Verner's with the V. It's a local drink, man, from Detroit. It does taste like a Schweppes or a Tab, like a mix between Tab and Schweppes. Tastes a little malty too. That's good. Here we go, fam. I got that dog right there. Got that dog. Got that Coney Island. Y'all heard the whole history, man, about this Coney Island. Why they call them Coney Islands. Here we go. Glizzy, glizzy. Hold up. As soon as I bit it, I heard that snap. I felt that snap. Pop. Chad got napkins for us, y'all. What great Michigan hospitality. This is gonna be a rough one, man. Because my pride and ego don't want me to say that this is one of the best dogs that I've ever tasted. That's my pride and ego. But the humility in me, the humble guy, wants to say that this is the bomb.com.
And I didn't want to interrupt your mojo.
Yeah, fine. I'm gonna sit here and chop it up with Chad, y'all. I kind of know where I'm going from here, but you guys will see it next. This is your man, Matt DV. Love you, cats, and I'll see you at the next one. Oh, the hot dog is delicious. On a scale of 1 to 10, damn, 9.5. Here in Detroit, Michigan, or is it Detroit, Michigan? We gotta find out from the locals. Do they call it Detroit or Detroit? Yo, we still here in Motor City, man. I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. Ain't too proud to beg. There it is, y'all, Hitsville. Not just that building right there, but it's actually several of these houses became Motown once Hitsville got too small. Just think, y'all, the power of Motown and what it has done around the world. The music have touched people around the world. It's kind of like hip hop, what hip hop is today.